Hi everyone, my name is Faith Kamau from Davis and Shatcliffe Swimming Pool Department, and today we are going to demonstrate how to clean and vacuum a swimming pool as well as backwashing a pool filter. We need first to skim all the floating debris using the leaf net or leaf skimmer. You connect it to the telescopic handle. You can now adjust the length of the handle. You collect all the floating debris. That's how it's done. Slowly. We now brush the walls using our wall brush. This is to remove all the dirt that may be stuck on the walls. Make sure you touch all the walls, the paths, the stairs, if your pool has stairs. After we are done with the walls, we now move to the floor. We change the brush. The daily floor brush is curved and it's able to brush off all the dirt, even at the corners. Then we do it gently towards the main drain or the deep end, slowly. After brushing off all the dirt, we now go to vacuuming. We need a vacuum head, a vacuum hose, and our handle. Put the vacuum head to the handle. Then you connect the hose to the vacuum head. Then gently you submerge it to the pool, slowly. We want to ensure that there is no air inside the vacuum hose. You can see some bubbles from the vacuum head. That shows our hose had some air. So you put some water from the opening end, either direct or even you can position it at the inlet so it can get some force. Immerse it. Then open the vacuum point. You plug in the connector. Then you fix the hose. Then we start our vacuuming. Please note that during vacuuming, the pump is still running. Now we do the vacuuming gently to ensure that we don't stir the already brushed debris. And so it has some wheels, making it easy to move. Once all the dirt at the bottom have been removed, because that is the main reason that we do vacuuming, we now go to backwashing. Our pump is a variable speed pump and it is running at medium speed. And as I mentioned, when we are doing the backwashing, we need to reset the speed of motor to high speed so that it will take shortest time possible to do the backwashing. This is the filter. We are operating at filtration. We want now to do the backwashing, so we have to shift the handle from filtration to backwash. When you're operating the handle, you have to switch off the power and you move clockwise. To backwash bottle. This automatically directs our water to the waste. And then now we put on the power. Then we keep an eye at the sight glass. As you can see, we have some particles. As you can see, the water is so dirty, it's going to the waste. Once our glass is clear, we switch off the power. That we have ensured that all the dirt that had settled on the filter media, it has been washed out. And now we go to rinsing. Still you move clockwise to rinse. When we are backwashing, it's the opposite of filtration. So our water gets in from the bottom, it goes to the media, leaving all the suspended debris in the sand, which at some time they might clog our media. Back to filter, back to filtration pot. Reset our pump to low. Since no one is using the pool, we should be on. Then we put the yes, our pump now is running at low speed, and our filter is clean, and now it's running at filtration. Backwashing should be done once every week or once after 2 weeks for domestic pools, because we lose a lot of water, and should be done at minimum time possible, maximum 3 minutes. And if you find out that the side glass is not clearing fast, even after 3 minutes, that's an alert that the sand needs to be replaced.